Throughout history, cities have reflected the characteristics, the beliefs and values, the technical capabilities as well as the aesthetic qualities of man, have served as expressions of man's unparalleled ability and desire to create, to leave his mark on the face of the world. Man has always been a builder, has always, while building for the needs of now, dreamt of the cities of tomorrow. This is the story of a group of people who are hastening the development of the cityscapes of the future through the imaginative concepts and technological capabilities that they are able to give architects, builders, city planners, and developers today. We're Zimmcor. This is our story. Since the middle of the 20th century, our cities have undergone dramatic changes in structure and appearance. The 1950s brought with it the introduction of aluminum curtain wall construction. We were breaking away from the somber stone and concrete look towards building concepts that were more pleasing to the eye and more distinctive within the city's skyline. In the 1960s, the new city and suburban architecture began to look towards integration, towards the unification under one roof of office facilities, shopping malls and plazas, which included residential areas. By the 1970s, the face of our cities took on a still livelier, fresher approach, with domes, skylights, open areas, and walls that challenged the eye. Today, in some 33 countries around the world, we see an amalgamation of all these architectural forms and construction formats, incorporating many new and unique building materials. Mirror surfaces and reflective siding. Walls of aluminum. Innovations and ingenuity in curtain wall architectural applications. Designed and engineered. Manufactured. And yes, many times installed by Zimmcor. Zimmcor's major attribute is to design and develop, test and prove, and to adopt innovative systems of engineering manufacturing. To custom architectural applications. To transform the architect's dream. To the contractor's reality. Zimmcor representatives are design-oriented and fully experienced in all phases and facets of custom architectural engineering. Working with architects and developers at the preliminary stages of their projects, the design tasks and problems are brought to Zimmcor's engineering staff for the full development, testing, and manufacturing of curtain or window walls, which will be economical and functional, and when completed, will fulfill the aesthetic finished qualities initially envisioned by the architect-developer originator. In but 3 decades, the aluminum curtain wall has become a major component in contemporary construction. The modern process for refining aluminum was discovered towards the end of the 19th century. But it wasn't until 1950, with an abundance of aluminum in search of new markets, that the aluminum curtain wall became popular. Through continuing research and quality control in the 1960s and 70s, aluminum curtain wall technology made great progress. Today, performance standards have become well established. Methods for testing and verifying the capability of walls have been standardized. New products and new processes have evolved, making possible many wall designs and a wide range of aesthetic expressions. The catalyst in the development of curtain wall technology has been the extrusion die, which determines the shape of the aluminum extrusion. Because each custom architectural engineering task is different, Zimmcor has designed and cut thousands of extrusion dies, adding 8 to 10 new styles to its reservoir of available designs each week to meet specific project needs. Within its 500,000 square feet of manufacturing facilities, located in 4 plants in the Montreal suburb of Lachine, Zimmcor extrudes its own aluminum. Zimmcor's assembly facilities are extremely flexible, so that independent techniques can be evolved for each of the larger curtain or window wall projects. All aluminum extrusions for projects large or small are custom manufactured, anodized, thermoacrylic or fluoropolymer coated, and inspected before shipment to construction sites anywhere in the world. Over the years, Zimmcor has developed the skill and capability to create specialized tools to perform specific manufacturing functions. Specialized tooling and manufacturing equipment to assure that Zimmcor's finished products will meet the most exacting architectural construction specifications. Though it excels in providing this specialized custom approach to architectural engineering aluminum needs, Zimmcor has always stocked the most complete, ready-to-build product line in the aluminum industry. Of the finest industrial, commercial, residential aluminum items available on the market today. Zimmcor works in close coordination with the world's largest glass manufacturers, thus assuring the constant availability of this vital construction commodity. Zimmcor's field and installation crews are highly experienced, having worked on a wide variety of projects under varying conditions on many continents. Ruben Zimmerman heads the strong team which guides Zimmcor's multifaceted activities. A team vitally involved with each and every aspect of the corporation's day-to-day operations, directing and guiding Zimmcor's progress in a sophisticated age of innovation and technology. From its very beginning, Zimmcor has been a people-oriented company, and its unique success can be attributed to the extreme loyalty of its employees and personnel. and to their unusual ability to work in an environment of corporate harmony. More than 3 decades ago, when the first aluminum curtain walls began to make inroads on the construction scene, Zimmcor was but a small glazing operation, working with great competitive spirit in the modernization of commercial buildings. As the character of our cities developed, so did the capabilities of Zimmcor's people grow. With the leadership of 3 generations of the Zimmerman family and 2 generations of the Naftali family, the company extended and expanded its range of expertise and specialization, reached deep into a seemingly inexhaustible reservoir of imaginative effort and endeavor to become a leading force in the shaping of our cityscapes of today. Over 25% of Zimmcor's employees have served the company for more than a decade. More than half of Zimmcor's clients, architects, developers, contractors, as well as dealers and distributors in many places around the world, have enjoyed a relationship of trust and satisfaction with Zimmcor for years. At this moment, some 60 Zimmcor field crews are working in all hemispheres, changing the face of the community. Industrial plants, airports, hotels, shopping complexes, residential buildings, hospitals, schools, public institutions. Sir Christopher Wren, the famous architect-builder on the site of St. Paul's Cathedral, asked a workman, "What are you doing?" The man replied, "I'm cutting stone." The second workman he asked replied, "I'm earning £2 a week." The third workman had a different reply. "I," he said, "am building a great cathedral." This approach, this concept, is at the very heart of the Zimmcor philosophy. For in a highly competitive field of precise and demanding performance, dedicated and devoted men and women continue to conceive, engineer, manufacture, and install that which is a vital and indispensable architectural construction element in the new edifices and structures of today. That which is essential in building the cities of tomorrow.